Hey there planners, welcome back to my channel. My name is Mimi. I have an unboxing for you, another unboxing. This time is from Stationery Gilded, and this is the box for, I don't know, I think it's August, because I think it's like a month behind, right? Something like that. I don't know, you guys. This is the Luminous library. So it comes in this pouch. It's really cute with this ribbon, so you can definitely reuse this, which is good. Let's see. All right, so let's take a look, see what we got. Oh, these colors are so pretty. Oh, you know what, I'm gonna show you the surprise item. So let me see what it is. Let me take a look. 1 second. Okay, so I took the mystery item out of the this package, so I'll let you know. That's gonna be the last item. Okay, so if you don't want to see what the mystery item is gonna be, I'll let you know before I show it to you. All right, so we have this journaling card. It has some books and flowers. Very pretty. Okay, next we have this little, what is this? Like a little folder envelope to keep. I have them all here. The ones that I have so far, I have them here. So cute. All right, so I know that we're getting an extra sheet of stickers. This is extra because there's something wrong with it. I don't remember what's wrong with that. This one here says happily ever after, and this one has like a smudge here or something, and then it just says after. And I think that so this is the right one, and this is the oopsie. She sent us an extra one. So let me see here. Okay, so we have a sheet of icons here in this blue color, numbers for the month. This is gold foil, and then we have a small sheet of small boxes. We have the seals here, really nice. I think I'm center. I don't know if I'm center. There we go. One sheet of stickers. Okay, so this is different. So you have 3 weeks for the days of the week here. You have full boxes, some bows here, checklist, and more boxes here. So those are 2 different ones, and then this third one is the extra one that she sent us, which is awesome. Thank you. Now we have 4 weeks, which is so cool. This is a what is this called? Just a notebook. This is a B6 notebook. I'm not gonna open it. I don't know if I'm gonna keep it, so I don't want to open it just in case I give it away, you know. I might do that. Oh, this is the deluxe stationery pouch. All right, so this one is in a cream color with the gold bow. This is a good size. Like, I'm guessing everything's gonna fit in here. Let's see. It zips all around. Now you have some dividers here. You have this little window here. The next item, it's an envelope. I mean an envelope, a bow. Oh, this one's pretty. Pretty. Let's see, where are we gonna add this? All right, so let's see if we can clip this here. It's exactly the same color and fabric or material as the pouch. Now we have, okay, let me show you the pouch. So you can actually snap this off. You can add your washi. You have a pen. Okay, this is for your pens right here. And there you go. Or your markers. You have plenty of spaces here for your pens. And you can snap this one off too if you want. I don't know what that is. It looks really nice. It's nice and soft. It has this black things on it. I don't know what that is. All right. So this is the pouch, and now let's open this right here. Let me see. All right. So now you have, this is a clip, right? This is a bookmark. Oh my gosh, this pink color is so nice. Let me see. And this is this material is soft. It's like the vegan leather, you know, material. So let's see. And that's how it works. So now let's take a look at the pen. So this color is like a taupe, it's almost like a green taupe color. And I think she only gives us black pens, right? It would be nice if they give us like a different color, like, I don't know, maybe a color that matches the actual pen, because now I have so many and they're black. They're all black now, you know. So here's the pen. It's okay. It's not my favorite. I mean, I think this one is like my favorite so far. All right, so now let's see how many washis we get. We have, okay, these two are a set. So you have the 15 millimeter, and I think this is a 10 millimeter. And this is a beige background with polka dots and the gold bows around it. Oops, that's cute. So we also get, let me see, this 15 millimeter. It's a floral with tiny little gold bows. Very pretty. Matches the florals here on the stickers. Now we have this one. I think these are books. It has like a edge, like a pink edge, and then books. Yeah, it's like a stack of books like this. Then we have, oh, this is nice. This is like a floral, I don't know what this is called. Yeah, it's a floral, like a floral vine. Gold on a blue background. That's beautiful. That's really pretty. Okay, good. So now I'm gonna open this one and show you. Okay, so this little set has a smaller, I don't know if this is 5 millimeter. I don't think so. This is bigger. Maybe a 6, an 8. I don't know. I don't know how big that is. And then you have this week. Okay, so this is like what is this called? It's not days of the week, but these are like the oh my gosh. And you know what? I just ordered a whole bunch of washi for days of the week and actions, goals, activities, project. I don't know what this is called, but anyways. So we have this, and you have different ones this week, next week, bill due. This is awesome. I mean, this is a lot of headers, you know, in one roll. Oosh. So I really like that. Now this one It's 4 5mm rolls. You have a peach with stars, you have the cream with hearts, you have a blue double stack, I think it's color block, what she calls this, the blue and the gold, and then you have a smaller, what color is this? Like a mauve maybe? Smaller than this. So that is the washi. Very pretty. I mean, the whole thing is just really nice. Let's put everything in here. Here. Oops. Let's see how this is gonna look like. Ooh, I don't know if this... No, that's not gonna fit. Okay, the 15mm is too big, you guys. I'm gonna have to put smaller rolls. And then we have the pens. Okay, I don't know about keeping these pouches here attached. I think for me, let me see. Or maybe I can keep this one here. This one here. Then the little notebook can go on the back. And the stickers, let me see if we can add the stickers too. Oh no, there's no spot here for that. Then I wouldn't use the pen. You know what, if I use this, I would take this off because my stickers would not fit. Like that. And then put the washi here and the pen here. Yeah, that would be better. Let me see. Okay, that fits. So yeah, for me, I think that this one is just taking too much space, you know? It's just taking space, just because when you try to, the loop here, where the snap goes, is really short. So you can't really flip this too much. So I think I'll just attach this one. See, because this loop is so short. There you go. Okay. That's good. You're gonna fit a lot here if you take this little thing for the pants. Oh, that's nice. And then you have your little bow here. Cute. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on the next video. All right, I'm gonna show you the item now. Okay, so if you want to see the mystery item, here it is. It's a pen. So this is a Jelly Roll metallic. Can you guys tell me if this is a Muji pen? I think this is, or what is the, or is the name Jelly Roll? I don't know. But I thought the clear ones like this are Muji. That's what I thought. And this is made in Japan. All right, so let's try it out. 1 second. Let's see. Okay, so I can see this looks pretty wet, you guys. I can see how it's leaving like little dots of ink, and it's taking a second to dry. So it is gold metallic. very smooth, but I feel like it's gonna take a second to dry. So let's metallic. Now, oh yeah, look at, you're gonna have to let this dry. And I don't know if it's because of this paper or if it's the pen itself. But you can see as you write, you can see how it pulls and how some parts are dry and some others are not. So let it dry. Yeah, see, I can see here, this is dry, this is drying. Okay, so just be careful with this, okay? It takes a second to dry. Well, a couple seconds. But I really like the color. It writes really nicely. All right, so let me put my pen here. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed this video, and I will see you on the next one. Bye.